A breach on the National Highway 2 in ethnic violence hit Manipur's Kangpokpi District was partially damaged in an IED explosion early on April 24, disrupting traffic movements in the area. Expressing its concerns over the growing amount of the vehicles in recent days, the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI) demands an immediate and comprehensive investigation into the incident. The Meetei body also demanded the case to be handed over to the NIA by the state's governments without delay to ensure justice for the affected 3.5 million residents of the state. According to the reports, this vital artery connects India and Myanmar, serving as a lifeline for the 3.5 million local population and also for the trades and connectivity throughout Southeast Asia. The COCOMI and its statements also stated, regrettably, this bombing isn't an isolated event. A similar attacks occurs in the Kwakta areas of the Sisipur district's borders areas on June 21, 2023. The National Investigation Agency (NIA) had previously investigated the incidents, leading to the apprehensions of several individuals belonging to the Kuki community. The COCOMI, in its press release, also acknowledges the complex dynamics of the regions characterized by extensive opium cultivation, illegal village expansions, and an influx of undocumented immigrants from the Myanmar. In the light of these grave circumstances, COCOMI demands an immediate and comprehensive investigation into the incidents, and the case should be handed over to the NIA by the state's governments without delay. COCOMI condemns the incidents at the highest levels and calls for the immediate justice.